Alright guys, what's up? Just started the video time-lapsing the Fender. I just finished doing the passenger side. It looks really nice. It matches pretty well. Make sure the corners are nice. All the edges nicely rounded. Front bumper, it looks fantastic. So let me show you. I recorded the other day, but it kind of died on the battery or something like that. I don't really remember. Here it is, the front end, all done and complete. Looking really nice. Wow, I actually haven't looked at it in the sun yet, but it looks really nice. It's coppery, little pink. Satin definitely brings out the lines on this car. As you can see, everything is done really well. See all the corners, all in there, real nice, full coverage. Did the front grille in satin black. This is matte metallic satin black, and then this is gloss black from Avery. But I left the chrome trim because it kind of matches the bottom part right there. Also, there's some chrome in the headlights. Left some chrome right here on the window seal as well. I think it looks really clean. My KG badge right there definitely makes it pop. The trunk's the only part that's stripped down, and we're gonna have a gloss black emblem to match the front. So it's coming together pretty nicely. It's been a long week. Just excited to get this car done. Well, we're on the last stretch of this build or this wrap process, and it's gone very smoothly for the most part because of all the experience I've gathered over the past year of wrapping cars and watching videos. You excited?
Yes.
How excited?
Very excited.